What's up, Go Cougs? So I figured I'd give you guys a little primer today on the different ways to start a saw, because I see a lot of people kind of struggling with it sometimes. So I got my 044 build here. So kind of the old man kind of, I guess maybe the safest way to do it would be put your chain brake on, set your saw down. I like to set it on wood because I don't want to bend over all the way. Put your foot in the hand hole right there, like that. Make sure it's on, and then just yank it. So that's the easiest way. The other way, I see a lot of East Coasters do it this way, which is kind of weird. It never made sense to me, but they take their handle and they stick it up under their dick like that. They turn it on. This is a weird position for me. And then they go kind of cross. They go cross pony. I don't like that way. The way I prefer, well, there's kind of two ways I prefer. One way is just kind of the right-handed West Coast drop start. So you grab your saw by the top handle here, grab a hold of your handle, and we like to run big, high compression saws. So to help yourself out, you press down with this arm and pull up with this arm like this. Helps if I turn it on. Like so, okay? And then, last but certainly not least, for my long bar brothers, this is kind of the left-armed West Coast drop start. Let me show you guys again for the guys in the back that didn't see that. You ready? And there you go. So, I mean, you can do this maneuver. But the easiest way, honestly, is this one. If you're right-handed, push down, pull up. Just like that. There you go, guys.